Hey everyone, how is everybody doing? I'm making this video to give you guys a quick crash course on gas dynamics. It will not be like super in depth. If you're just like preparing for some exams or just wanna relearn the concept real quick, then yeah, this video is just for you. If you want to learn all the concepts and go super in depth, then you can just like skip this video. First of all, gas dynamics, it's everything about the table, right? Like this table, isentropic flow table, normal shock table, and Prandtl-Meyer table. No, oblique shock chart table, and then Prandtl-Meyer table. Prandtl-Meyer function table. These are the 4 tables that you will need for this course. You need to learn how to use this table, and like before starting, I'm just gonna start with the isentropic flow table. So here are some of the parameters. Like this is the Mach number. This is temperature in the exit to temperature at the tank, pressure at the exit to pressure at the tank, similarly density at the exit to density at the tank, and this you need to be careful about this. This is area in the exit and area in the throat. I will talk about this right now, what this means. So this is a standard gas dynamic question, like isentropic flow standard question. This is the entrance pressure, like origin pressure at the tank, PO, and this will be pressure at the back. Most of the time, like pressure of the back will be equal to pressure pressure of the surrounding. But like there are some cases that this does not apply. Similarly, density here and density at the exit, temperature in the tank, and then temperature in the exit. Also, like before you look at the table, you need to learn about the throat area. So what is this throat area? This simply means, this is the subsonic flow. This part is gonna be subsonic flow. Most of the time subsonic flow, like not all the time. There are some kind of test section and questions where you will start with a supersonic flow. But like early in the course and like most of the time in this course, like this section would be subsonic flow and this section would be supersonic flow. Sometimes when when the pressure is not enough, then the exit Mach number might be subsonic and stuff like that, but we'll like look at that later on the course. But for now, to learn about the basic, just know that most of the time this section will be subsonic flow and this section would be subsonic flow. And you see this little area, like this section, like this is called A star. So what does A star means? This is a part of the section where the flow is choked. What does this mean? This means that the Mach number in this section is 1. Like exactly at this point, the Mach number is gonna be 1, and then the Mach number starts to increase. Like here the Mach number will be different, but here will be 1. Here Mach number would increase like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and like the exit Mach number, right? So this is the basic concept that you need to know before we start solving questions. I guess I explained all the like the basic part. This is like basic part, and you need to know this to solve questions in gas dynamics. I'll be making another video, so that will be where we'll be solving some questions. For now, peace.